Ancient versus modern finance. Surprising similarities and differences. Finance has evolved over thousands of years. But what if I told you that many of today's financial strategies were already being used by ancient civilizations? From trading goods to investing in real estate, the core principles of wealth building have stood the test of time. Let's explore the fascinating similarities and differences between ancient and modern finance. Currency and medium of exchange. In ancient times, currency was simple. People relied on bartering, trading goods like grain, livestock, and textiles. Eventually, gold and silver became the dominant currency, serving as a universal medium of exchange. Civilizations like the Lydians even minted the first coins. Fast forward to today, and things look very different. We use fiat currency, paper money that holds value because governments say it does. But it doesn't stop there. Digital payments, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have revolutionized how we exchange value. Key takeaway. Ancient finance was tangible, with real assets like gold. Today, we rely on trust in systems, digital currencies, and virtual transactions. Banking and loans. Banking in ancient times? Yes, it existed. Temples in Mesopotamia and Egypt acted as early banks, storing wealth and lending grain or silver to farmers. Interest rates were recorded on clay tablets. Today, we have centralized banking systems where banks provide mortgages, personal loans, and even peer-to-peer lending through decentralized finance or DeFi. Key takeaway. While ancient banks were run by priests and scribes, today's banking system is global, digital, and highly regulated. But the principle of lending and interest remains the same. Investment vehicles. Land was the ultimate investment in ancient times. Owning fertile land meant wealth, power, and stability. Merchants also invested in trade expeditions, hoping for high returns on goods like spices and silk. Today, we have a wide range of investment options: stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, and even venture capital. The stock market allows people to buy shares in companies, much like investing in ancient trade voyages. Key takeaway. Ancient investors focused on land and trade, while modern investors have diverse portfolios, including intangible digital assets. Risk management and diversification. Ancient traders knew the importance of spreading risk. Phoenician merchants invested in different goods, spices, textiles, and metals, to ensure they didn't lose everything if one market failed. Today, diversification is key to any investment strategy. Modern investors spread their wealth across various sectors, like tech, healthcare, and real estate to reduce risk. Key takeaway. Both ancient and modern investors understand that diversification is essential for long-term financial success. Government regulation and taxation. Ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia had one of the earliest tax systems. Farmers paid taxes in grain, livestock, or labor. Taxes funded massive projects like irrigation systems and pyramids. Today, governments tax income, capital gains, and corporations. Regulatory bodies like the IRS and SEC oversee financial markets to ensure fairness and transparency. Key takeaway. While ancient taxes were paid in goods, modern taxation is more complex, designed to influence economic behavior and fund public services. Speculation and risk-taking. In ancient Rome, merchants would speculate on the success of trade voyages. They risked their wealth on the possibility of high returns. Today's speculation happens in the stock market, cryptocurrency trading, and derivatives like options and futures. Day traders risk capital daily in search of quick profits. Key takeaway. Speculation has always been a part of finance, from ancient trade routes to modern stock markets. The risk-reward dynamic remains unchanged. Conclusion. Finance may have evolved, but the core principles remain the same. Ancient civilizations laid the foundation with concepts like diversification, lending, and taxation. Today, we've built on those ideas with advanced tools, digital currencies, and global markets. What do you think? Are we really so different from our ancient ancestors when it comes to money? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating insights into finance and history.